Hope I got the right address. If I did, JJP's TSM character should be seeing this letter. I have a TSM character too that is somewhat recently introduced, and he lives in the United States. Though like many of the other TSM characters, even a lot of the ones the fans made, he's voiced by TTS, just like you. P.S. I've drawn a new house for you as well since your current one seems to be a bit run down. See you soon, BSP.
Hey Thunderbolt. Did you hear about a new fan-made Siren coming into TSM? Geez, how many fan creations are coming into our universe? Oh whatever, what does he look like? Apparently he is a blue tri-blaster with a red stripe and a yellow control box. Nice. Is he from the US too? Nope. He is from the UK. Really? A tri-blaster from the UK? Well, I guess there are a few modulators in the Netherlands. True.
Toa Mellet.
Dix.
Good evening everyone. 2810 here and this is today's news. Don't steal my spot you Sorry about that. So, don't know why I'm reporting this again. Yet another fan creation. This time from the UK. He's creating a TSM-inspired series called Arthur's State Mental Hospital Escape Warning System, which in the latest he filmed at Claxon GP8 in Breed, Scotland. And you should be seeing him at TSM Airport today.
Double trouble from Tri-Blaster, huh? Interesting. Perhaps he'd wanna be another minion of mine.
Don't even try it. As soon as you escape, the newly placed escape warning sirens will go off and your efforts will all be in vain. Plus, he doesn't seem like he'd be evil anyway.
Oh whatever, I guess I'll just rape him then.
Oh no you don't.
Oh yes I do. What? Oh god it. Guess I'll have to lead this way.
Okay, let's see if there are any updates in the new guy. Good afternoon to you all. Today I am interviewing with JJP. He has stumbled across us and is willing to tell us more about him. Oh cool, do you have any socials? Yes I am. What else have you got to share? Wow. Was it loud?
Wow, that was one of the longest interviews I've ever witnessed. Well, time to go for a walk.